Hello everybody and welcome back to Candy Creations. My name is Candice and it has been a while since I've seen you guys because I've been working on a big project that hopefully you guys will get to see sooner rather than later. But for now we have Valentine's Day coming up and I have a few Valentine's craft that I'd like to share with you guys. So let's get crafting. So the first thing I'm gonna make is a Valentine's Day card. So I'm gonna use this postcard to use as my measurement. This paper is a watercolor paper, so I'm not sure if you can see, but there is a bit of texture in it. So this will be really interesting to use. And the next one is a chalk pastel paper, and it has a slight bit of texture, but it also has this really fun color that I think will make my design pop. So I'm just going to draw out no, I'm not opening the card because I'm just gonna make like a flat card instead of one that opens. So I'm just drawing out the closed card part. And now I'm gonna cut them out and then we're gonna start our design. Now for this card design, I'm gonna use these glittered cutout hearts. They are like a Bristol board material, and these you can find on my shop. You can get them mixed colored like this, or you can get a single color, and it has 24 in each pack. So I'm just gonna use these as balloons, and I'm gonna just cluster them in one corner and then draw some lines for the balloon strings. So now I'm gonna draw a little person hanging on to the balloons. Now I know I'm crafty, but I'm no great drawer, so I'm just gonna use like a little stick girl holding on here. And now I'm gonna add some text to the side here. I don't have great handwriting either, so please just bear with me. And that's my simple card, and you still have the side and the back that you can still write like personal note, but this is basically my simple, easy to do, children friendly card. And so now on to the next one. So for this one I'm gonna be using these craft foam cutout hearts. They come in a pack of 6, and you can also find these on in my store. And so I'm going to be using this along with some twine and more of those glittered hearts, and we're going to do a very fun simple design. Now I'm gonna use a bit of a stronger glue for this one because I need to stick down the twine. So I'm using the UHU glue and I'm going to run it in a line and then stick my twine down. And now I want to make these hearts look like they are hung on a line. So I'm just going to stick them right up under the string, spacing them out and then putting a gold heart in between. Now if you are going to use a paper that is this dark, you're going to want to make sure that you have a pen that can write on this, like a paint marker or even a gel pen. So in this case I'm using a silver gel pen and hopefully it shows up on the paper okay. And these are my two simple designs using some really fun material. For this next one, it's going to be more of a decoration. I'm using some felt hearts in gray and pink, and I'm using some polyfill, and I'm going to make some stuffed hearts. Now you can use this as decoration, just lying around, or you can make a bunch of them and string it in a row and use it as a banner. You can do whatever you want to them. So I'm taking some of the UHU glue and I'm gluing down majority of the heart, but I'm gonna leave some space so I can put the filling in once this is dry. So now that the glue is dry, there's a small opening on top that I can now stuff my heart with. If you are having trouble with this, you can use a clothespin to hold it down while it dries. Now this part is totally optional, but I just want to add a little design on it, something that's simple and easy. And I'm using the white puff paint. So I'm gonna use a red heart for this one, and we're gonna make like a pocket to put treats in. So I'm gonna back this with some this is like almost like, it's not as thick as Bristol board, but it does have some thickness to it. So I'm gonna use my heart as a template and trace it out so I can then back this with the same size heart. As you can see, tracing it is a bit tricky because it's not a firm thing, so I may have to hold it up against the paper as I cut. Now that it's dry, you can see the pocket, and I'm just going to stuff a few things in it. Now it can't hold much because it is pretty small. Actually, I think I don't know, this is pretty tight. If you want, you can use a bigger, if you want to hold more things. I think the Snickers was just too big. Can use a bigger heart, but I think that's just good enough. I think this can probably hold like about 2 kisses of those Hershey's chocolate kisses. So now I am going to pass this through. I have this white cup that I want to use as a vase. So I'm just engraving the word flowers in it to make it look more like a vase and not so much a cup. So that's what you see me doing here. And then after I engrave the letters, I'm just gonna fill it in with some black paint. So I'm now going to do a cozy table setting for two, for like if you want to have a Valentine's dinner at home. And what you see me doing here is just picking out the dark blue stones because it kind of clashed with my pink and red theme. So I'm just picking out those stones and using the rest. So I'm using these felt hearts to just make the table runner look a little more Valentine themed, and it's so simple and easy to use because it's felt. It sticks to the material very easily without any tape or glue, and when you're done you can just lift them back up and you have a neutral table runner to use again. This next table setting is for like if you have kiddos and you have to set the table for more than just two. So as you can see, I'm setting up 4 seats here, but of course you can do how many ever you want. And as you can see later on, I'll just switch out the candles for LED candles just to make it a little more kid friendly. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you got some inspiration for your Valentine's Day plans. If you want to check out any of the crafty items like the cutout hearts that I used in this video, you can check in the description box down below and you will see a link to my Facebook shop. You can check it out there. And now I just want to give you guys a quick community update. Last year I really tried to put out a video once a week on a Tuesday, but it became a bit exhausting for me, especially when I have a lot of incoming orders to fill as well as put out videos. So this year I want to try and do every other week, so that way it gives me a little more space to fill my orders and get my videos done, because I really want to enjoy showing you guys different crafty ideas and things I do around the house. I really enjoy doing that. So if you are subscribed, you can click on the notification bell next to the subscribe button and make sure and hit all, so it just tells you every time I put up a video. And that's it for now, guys. I hope you had an enjoyable day. I hope you have a great week ahead, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.